If you're watching this, it means you are ready to stop guessing and start using AI the right way. And I'm excited because what you're about to step into is not just another tech tutorial. This is a business upgrade. Let me show you what's inside both the AI Toolkit and the AI Setup session so you can know a little bit about what each one has to offer. Let's start first with the AI Toolkit. Inside the toolkit, you're going to get 4 powerful components that's going to help you get started. First up, you get my ChatGPT customization training. This is the part almost nobody does correctly. Most people open ChatGPT, type a question, and then complain that it sounds robotic or generic. That's not a ChatGPT problem. That's actually a setup problem. So inside this step-by-step training, I show you how to properly customize your ChatGPT so it understands your voice, your industry, your audience, and how you think. You do this once, and that's it. And from that moment forward, it starts responding like a real assistant instead of a random robot. Now let's talk about one of my favorites that are also inside of the toolkit, the AI content creator for realtors and entrepreneurs. This is a custom GPT that I created that you install directly inside your ChatGPT account. You will get the exact instructions on how to download it and add it to your account in minutes. This is your on-demand social media engine. If you ever sit there thinking, what do I even post today? This solves that problem. You tell it your name, your industry, your audience, and it generates listing descriptions, hooks, captions, email campaigns, video scripts, content ideas, engagement posts, anything content related. It's built to help you stay visible and relevant without burning out. Next is something that is very personal to me. Your Profit Path Coach. This is another custom GPT that I created that will live inside your ChatGPT account. Years ago, when I was trying to figure out my next move, I was asked 4 powerful questions inside a mastermind group. Those 4 questions actually changed everything. So because of those, and I knew I wasn't the only one that was going through that, I built them into an AI advisor that now lives inside your account. This coach helps you think strategically about your next income stream, your creativity, your strengths, and how to design a business that actually fits who you are. If you've ever asked yourself, what else am I supposed to be doing in life? This is what you need. This is the strategic coach that people pay 6 figures for. So basically, this shows you how to earn more income by simply knowing what you're born to do. It's structured brainstorming, and that's your Profit Path Coach. And then you get access to my top AI resources. No more Googling, no more guessing which AI tools to use, no more asking all online, which platform did you make that on? These are the exact tools that I use every single day and my clients use daily. Tools such as Opus Pro for video editing, also CapCut, HeyGen, one of my favorites to help create your clone, your avatar, so that you can show up faceless online. Kling AI, also some video creations. And if you like to make websites or you need some landing pages made pretty quickly, Lovable, Durable are your best friends. And Gamma, if you do presentations like I do, then you want to check out Gamma. Down below, you'll also find some of the courses that are available. Now, there's an AI Twinfluencer course for those that are interested in cloning themselves and learning how can they do it so that they can show up with a faceless channel or just not having to show their face all the time online. That's a great course if you're interested in cloning yourself. The AI Marketing Summit's going to give you insight on the updated ideas, marketing tips, launching digital products, and how you can really create your own AI business. And the AI Consulting Certification Program, which is huge if you are interested in being a consultant, a certified consultant. Guys, I want you to take a look at that range, that hourly rate range. If you're interested in earning that kind of income, $250 to $3,500 per hour, working remotely, anywhere around the world, loving to teach. And if you want to know just the basics about how AI can work for corporations, government offices, real estate offices, Chamber of Commerce, so many companies, less than 10% are actually using it, and they need consultants like you. So if you're interested in being a consultant, all of that great information is also inside the toolkit. The toolkit is definitely for people who are self-starters, independent implementers, entrepreneurs who move at their own pace, and realtors ready to upgrade their business. Now, in addition to the AI toolkit, you have the other option of the AI setup session. This toolkit gives you everything to implement on your own. The setup session takes it a little bit further. This is a one-on-one session with me, up to 2 hours, where we customize your ChatGPT together. We install your AI content creator together, and we're also installing your Profit Path Coach. Both of those GPTs, I'm making sure that they are installed. We're also making sure all your systems are working and connected properly. And of course, if you had any other business questions, that would be the time to kind of go over that one-on-one. So this is for the person who says, I want it done right, and I want it done right now. If you love to implement at your own pace, the AI Toolkit is perfect for you. If you want a guided implementation and precision, the AI setup session is your move. Either way, you're stepping into structure, clarity, and efficiency. Pick the one that fits you best and get ready. Because once your tools are trained, your business moves differently. I cannot wait to see you on the inside.